slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian. Welcome to the Asia Session, sponsored by MyFundedFutures. How are you, everybody? Man, that's a damn good song. Man, that is a damn good song. Miss K, what's up? J Dubs is in the house. Bear Trader, get in there. Mr. Freeze, Frank Franco is here. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing here? Okay. All right, everybody. Happy to be here. What came out? They got kabooshed. What the hell happened? Mikey Jacques, get in there. Mikey Jacques. What's up, everybody? I think this market's going to... We got NVIDIA's earnings tomorrow, right? NVIDIA. So we'll see what the hell happens there. But, yep. Yes, sir. I had a really good day today. What's up? Who's this? Golden Dragon, 4 Keeps. Hey, where have you been? Izzy Lizzy, how are you? I love that song. Double L. Well, I did say on that gold, look to sell 17 up to 20 or something like that. And I said if you had bought more down there, I probably would have kicked them out. But I hear you. You got kabooshed. Yep, you got kabooshed on the gold. Yep. Everybody welcome Fabio's, Trist Trade, Brave Day. Yep, I was thinking about you last night. I saw the stops trade down to like 46.70 last night. I'm like, I hope he got the hell out. But, AXP, what's going on? Finally I have a, what's that? I don't know what he's saying. It's me, buddy. All right. I don't know what the hell came out here. You made money on Coinbase today? Okay. Did you make up the loss on the gold? We called a lot of shorts on gold today. Really great patterns. I want to show everybody a really great pattern if I can really quickly here. I want to wait till there's a couple hundred people on, though. I don't want to just do this. You should be looking at MST. And they're off at Belmont. If you want to take some type of a scalp long here, you can go 75 to 05 on the NASDAQ here. Let's see. Hey, Bluebird. I like that name. Bluebird. But half. All right, let me ding. Double L. Get in there. All right. Let's just see if we get some type of a, here we go, a little bit of a scalp long here. You get this was a nice short here on the 3-minute here, on the 3 here. All right. Let's just see. That's a nice bear flag. If they push up to 200.05, I'd kick it out here very fast. Let's see here. Got these 1-minute time frames here. I don't want to touch this market tonight. Why not, Zeph? Start scaling out of longs here. 05 out. Okay? 05 out. Baby goat. Baby goat, you got to stay out of the pool in case your name is called. XD, what's going on? Bluebird, very nice. Mr. M. Zeph made money on coin today. I made, how about that MSTR? Ooh. Anybody know why they're getting kabooshed here? I just came in from getting a smoothie. Start scaling out of longs, 200, 205 if you bought them down there. Hey, Little Roo. What's up, Baba? Primo, what's going on? Renzo, Barbie. Renzo, you're new. Vanessa B, get in there. All right. Barbarito. Here's a new one. You caught your daily take profit. I need to start. I'd be flat. on this long. Oh my God. What? What?
Nah, because I'm only the one that's supposed to drop it because of the rental.
The stream is lagging, Aaron. That's what they're saying. Why? They just ran 40 handles. What the hell's the matter with that? Trade Arts, Joey Numbers. Love that name. Fun Boy, what's going on? They're good. I think they're good. We called your name last night. They're good, right? You see us, nothing stopping us going lower. Nvidia, Nvidia, Nvidia. Oh, Nvidia. Oh, Nvidia. Just NASDAQ gets up to the 230 to 265. I would take a short. You're in a buy disconnect here, but just hit 26. Greetings to all, Barbarito. What a short from the bottom. What a short and a long from the bottom. Nick Fury. Oh my God, 26. Just missed a short. Jesus. It's a freaking casino. If they get down to the 55 to 85 range, I'd look to buy him here again. All right, be careful. You ain't kidding. All right, gold, caboose here. Let's go. I want 145. Down lower? I like that. Hey, Zeph Side, how are you? I got my strawberry banana shake. You looking them up?
I need to go by the house to get my laptop and bag. I need my laptop more specific.
I will just do it when we get home, though. You know, because I got Henny there, and you know, I can't. I don't know. Like, you walking in on him alone. You know, he may eat everybody. You know, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I just don't want no problems. Okay. Yep. MyFundedFutures. Hey, we buy house. You know, I just want to say something to everybody here before I turn and show you some stuff. You know, during this 2 hours session, I've come to know so many of you. You know, and it gives me a lot of great privilege to be here. Alex, nice to meet you. OM, and you know, for me, it's a really great honor. DeLuke, Kelly, how are you? Strong 80X on the 3 and the 5. That's why I'm looking to short them if they get up to 30, 35. But, you know, we joke around, right? And I just want to say that in trading, you have to have, like, not thick skin, but you have to have a way of just enjoying yourself when you're trading and joking around. And I think if you take that approach, what time the giveaway? This all throughout the night. Reading the numbers, how are you? And I just think that, you know, when we see certain things here and we make jokes and we're laughing, it's all part of humor and fun, you know? And, you know, if you don't want that, I won't do that. But I just think that, you know, it just eases everybody. It's fun. We have Tina, and a couple of times Tina would be trading, and I just pulled over, and we made a T-shirt up today, and we're gonna hopefully print it out soon. Tina, pull over. Tina, pull over, and you know, we're all joking around and laughing and having fun, and nobody's here to trade. That's not true, Ludan. And Ludan, that's like the third negative comment. Okay, so I'm just letting you know. Okay. But it's serious, and we want to have fun, and you have to have a sense of humor, right? Hey, Bodine. And I think that's one of the most important things, to have fun, to be able to have joking around and nicknames and Pierre, how are you? And to have a sense of humor in the meantime. And I just want everybody... And I just want people to laugh and have fun, enjoy themselves, and in one of the hardest industries in the world, and I've been doing this for 45 years now. I'm on my 45th year, and I just want all of you to understand that it's never directed at anybody. It's not. We're fun. People joke with me. I joke with them back and forth. So again, I just want everybody to take a step back, breathe, have fun, and a lot of times when we just see something funny, we all laugh at it or joke about it, but it's never meant to be anything but that. So again, I just want to put that to rest. Okay? Period. All right? Now, I want to show you something really interesting this morning here. Okay? If you look at the 30 and 60-minute time frames, first of all, let's look at the index futures. I had a really nice short above 400 off the sell divergences on the 15-minute time frames, right? And I don't see anything in gold right now other than the fact that the 30s and 60s. So maybe if this gold gets down to the 0210, you could take a long here on the gold, okay? Thank you, Digi, okay? So I want to show this to you, right? And when you get to push down here on the index futures, which was it happened so fast, right? And then it ricocheted, and I said I would just buy them, boom. And people bought them at like 84, 85s, and you can see 65s, 45, 55, 65s, right? But I want to show you really something even better, okay? If you look here, you can see the push down here, okay, on the 60-minute time frames and the 30. So you're making new lows here. You filled the gap from the opening, but the MACDs were positive here, okay, which means that you're making new lows and you had non-confirmation. Hey, big bats, right? The giveaway what time? Throughout the night. Make sure you register, okay? So you see here, we should get 30K if the market go lower. I don't know what that means, but okay. So you see here the divergences. Now, when the 30-minute time frame reversed to buy right here, it correlated. You had the positive MACD. It correlated with the 15-minute time frame. Now, the 30-minute time frames usually set up between the hours of 1 and 3. So look at exactly what happened here at 3, right here. If you look here, you can see how the market 708.96, how you can see the low, the oversold condition into the positive MACD, the oversold condition on the 15. And what do? We rallied 708.96. We rallied about $1.50. So the Nasdaq rallied about 100 from I think we rallied from 205 all the way up to like the 320 range, right? Okay. So again, I picked the numbers. Okay. So I think what you really need to understand is how to use the methodology in your. I canceled the buy range. Never got down to 85. But I think it's really important that you focus on. You got a nice bear flag setting up here. Double red short. ADX is rising. I'd like to see if they can go a little high here. Maybe touch 30, 35, 40. Asia session's been better. No, I don't believe so, Suave. I don't think so. But again, I just wanted to show that to you here. Here we go. We won the war. Okay. So let's just see here. But again, what I want to share with you here, all of you, is that when you have this type of moves in the market, okay, how important it really is to understand, the divergences, and divergences are key here, okay. Let's see what they're going to get up to here. 25, 28. So I wanted to just show you that to you, okay? Let's go back to the Nasdaq here. Still think you got a nice bear flag setting up here. They just hit 26s. All right, 15s turning up, negative MACDs. Hopefully we'll get a push up. Gold. Hello, Michael. Alex M., what's going on? 27s. How are you? I think the market's going down. Hey, Ghost. Everybody welcome Ghost FX. Alex. All right, if they get up to the 27, 28, up to probably the 58, 57, 58, I'd short them. I think these fives are going to start rolling over here. You got bear flags here, 84 on the bear flag on the NASDAQ. There goes the gold pushing up. So, anybody see that movie? I hope I'm saying it right. Scario? You ever see that movie? Scario? When he's a district attorney. Oh my God, they just dropped 10. Anybody see that movie? Anybody? Yes. How do you say that? Sicario? Sicario? Oh my God, what a movie. Oh my God. Yeah. Anybody see that? What a movie. Reverend, how are you? Sicaro. Okay, Sicaro. So Sicaro. Okay. All right, look at the NASDAQ drop here. Just dropped about 15, 18. You get short?
No, my entry was too high.
Too high? You ain't kidding, too high. What a bear flag. Sicaro. There are two of them. Second one just good. No, I'm the first one. Wow, what a movie. Am I using SPY and no, and Qs? No, only use the index futures. What a bear flag. 84 on the S&Ps here. What a bear flag. Hit that 25, 27 mark. Hey, J Pre-Ultra. NASDAQ, baby. Get in there, the Luke. Sicario. When register, where choose the number. I choose the number, and you have to sign up for the, you have to sign up. No, I'm not saying it's better than The Godfather. Look at this NASDAQ down 17. Day trader, you short? Day trader? Get in there. Okay. All right. Sicario. Part 1 is better. I think number 1 is the best one. When happened giveaway. Peer Pressure Media. How are you? All right. You're short from 24. Okay, lower your stops. So you should be lowering your stops to like 17, 18, right? I don't know how many you're short. Just drop 20 here on the NASDAQ. Hey, Beachcomber Lisa, how are you? How are you? What means cover? Are you asking me or are you just making a joke? I'm about to do my yearly rewatch of The Godfather. I watch the Pulp Fiction about almost every year. Okay. I wouldn't watch I mean, I could watch The Godfather over and over, but I can't watch Pulp Fiction over and over. I'm not doing that. Okay, hope you covered your short here.
I gotta get long on
the triple Lindy. Gold? Gold, yeah. If you're long the gold, just scale out above 10.5, 1080. I think gold's a long there. Okay. If you're here short of 27, if you wanted to scalp it. All right, there goes the gold. Just rallied. Gold just rallied almost $3 here, day trader. So it's going to go here. The 30's got a bull flag as well. It's time to meet God. Oh my God. And then he tells the guy, go ahead, finish your dinner. Oh my God. Thoughts on silver and the Nikkei? I don't look at the Nikkei. NASDAQ just dropped 10 if you sold 27s just now. Did I watch The Wolf of Wall Street? Of course. I was supposed to meet him about a year ago. Jordan. He's right here in Miami. Mr. Tesla Rick, how are you? Ethan, what's going on? Sergeant Banner. I can't believe Baby Goat was not in the Discord last night or on the chat on YouTube when we called out his number. Unbelievable. Put him in the bathroom. What's up, Vanessa? How are you? And if anybody, here's one. Beer League Trading. Like that name. Oh, God. NVIDIA's earnings. I think NVIDIA is going to beat, but give some warnings going forward. And I think it's going to get kabooshed. That's what I think. This NASDAQ gets up to the 30 handle again. Yeah, I did. No, I called them out. 30 up to 65 on the NASDAQ. I'd be shorting. Okay. So I'm going to do a meet and greet in Vegas to meet Johnny Van Zant. And when I see Johnny, I'm going to give him my card. And I'm going to say, Johnny, you live here in Jacksonville. Come one night when after you're touring. And if you can have dinner with me and come on the live stream here at night, maybe we'll sing some Skinner tunes together. Would that be awesome or what? My friend actually knows him really well, so I might have to put a phone call into him first before I go there. So I would love doing that. That'd be cool. Everybody welcome Nan Doral. Nan Doral, am I saying it right? Nan Doral. Big Bats, what's going on? Oh my God, Dolly Parton. When I heard that news today, I was actually on the phone with one of my traders, and he said Dolly Parton just passed away. Was she sick? Was she sick, Lisa? Look to cover this NASDAQ between 18 and 28. If you're short.
I remember she made a statement like a few weeks ago saying, because I guess there was some stuff going on about her sick or she canceled something, and she said that she's well and that everything was good.
She had cancer? No. Cancer since 2025? Wow, she hit it well then. Wow. What a, Jesus. Short battle with cancer. What kind of cancer? Does anybody know? Oh my God. That's a shame, man. Wow. She was a good one. Last to the Mohegans, baby. Get in there, Luke. Get in there. Joyce, how are you? Oh yeah, baby. Lower your stops on the NASDAQ short. Baby goat, get in there. Ravlin, get in there. Yeah, she was one of a kind. Yep. Blank, blank,
Willie.
blank. Huh?
We still got Willie for now.
Willie?
Yeah.
Willie's on his last leg. How
Oh,
about
no.
Clinton? I think she'll be very, very missed. I say. Americans might, nope. And how about this? Clint Eastwood turned 100 today or yesterday or something like that I saw. Jesus, 100-year-old Clint. Let's go, everybody. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Everybody pull over and get in there. You can maybe take a scalp long here on gold, even and a half to 07.5 here. I'm just so wary of this gold. I think this gold's going to zero. Clint's 96, sorry. I think this gold's going like 4,200. 15s are turning up, baby. Yep, but that's a big bear flag on the double red short. You can't ignore it. 15s and 30s, you short the first bounce on the 5, right? Should be right. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna when I go do the meet and greet, and I get up to Johnny Van Zant, I'm gonna go, hey Johnny, listen man, hey brother, what's going on, man? Hey, here's my card. I live in Jupiter. Please give me a holler. Text me, bro. I know, but I'm legit here. You live in Jacksonville. Let's do it, man. You know, can you give me a holler and maybe one night stop by and see all the Skinner fans. We'll sing a couple tunes together. He goes, I'm telling you, he'll do it. He's a cool dude, man. I'm gonna get Johnny Van Zandt here. I'm gonna try at least. You know, that'd be cool. Gotta be really careful with this gold. Go really wide every 2.5 points. Really nothing. Caught the one long, caught the short. Gold. What's going on, everybody? Well, I just want to say that this Thursday I'll be on MyFundedFutures TV from 10:30 to 11:30. So I hate this gold. This gold's got to be shorted. This gold's got to be shorted. These 30s are getting oversold here. I just got to tell you, I just can't wait to get the hell out of the month of August, though. I mean, not that I'm rushing life or anything like that, but how to enter a giveaway. You type your name in when Aaron posts the link. You have to have a MyFundedFutures email, and you have to be here. Not like Baby Goat, who wasn't here last night when his number was called, right? Terrible. Absolutely terrible.
We could send him to the bathroom, but he might miss his name being called.
Yeah, he's gonna. I think gold's shorts, day trader. Yeah, I hear you. I think gold's a short, though. You're waiting for 29,175. Could get there. Horrible. 2 times what's going on. I think gold is going to get cabooshed. You're 200 points from the 10-bar weighted moving average. I think outside of NVIDIA's earnings coming out, and then we have Micron's in a couple weeks. Yep, I just think that the market is headed for a cabooshin. I think that, look at this. NASDAQ hits 05, it would be down 30 on that bear flag. I just think that what people have to remember here is that you pick your spots here. And I think that's really important, that you pick your spots. So, NASDAQ down 30. There you go. S&P's down 3. S&P's down 3, NASDAQ down 30. Unbelievable. You think the market's going up still overall? I don't think about September and October. I don't know about that. So that strategy right there on the 5-minute time frame is what's called a double red short. Okay? A double red short, which means that the 15 and the 30-minute time frames on my work are in sell mode. The 5 reverses to sell, right? You wait patiently for the bounce on the indicator 5, indicator 3 on the overbought condition into the negative MACD. You couldn't ask for a better pattern. Cabooshed, 40 points right there. Okay? Yeah, you got to get, if this gold rallies, you got to look for shorts here. Again, you got to scalp the long if you want to take the long on the gold. This gold, I think this gold's going to 4,200. Okay? Luke, do you understand that? Mr. Freeze, do you understand that? The 5 reverses to sell. It correlates with the 15 and the 30-minute time frame. You take the long, you wait for the bear flag, and then you get the hell out of Dodge. Right? I agree. Gold shouldn't rally at all. I think this gold, what's your favorite time frame to use? 15, 30, and 60s. Okay? 15, 30, and 60s. Don't you have div for a long on the 30 and what? What? I can't understand that. Don't you have div for a long, divergence for a long on the 30-minute? Isn't that a bias long? On what asset are you talking about? Gold? Gold should get one more push up. You talking about the NASDAQ? NASDAQ that was a monster bear flag. Look at his gold. I mean, look at his NASDAQ. Look at this. What a bear flag. You're talking 38 to 91, you're talking almost 50 handles here. Where do you see a 30-minute buy divergence? I don't see anything like that. Why do you think gold's going to the moon after that? Why? 2 micros, I'm out. Good job, Chicken Trader. What do you think? SK, can you walk me through what I'm seeing on your charts? Well, it doesn't happen like that. I mean, I can help you a little bit here, but this is, if you want a 5-day free trial, just text me your full name and your email to my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. What's the moving average? This moving average is a 15-bar weighted moving average. I think lows of the day. Yep. All right. If this gold gets up to the 0407, I kick it out if you get it. Okay. I think gold's a short. I think Nasdaq is going to lows of the day. So I don't really want to teach right now during this whole session. Oh, look at them get killed. Look at this short. Oh my God. 70. Where's the bear? What a cabooshin. 38 down to 75. There goes the gold. 38 down to 65. 65 and 38. 73 points. Cabooshed. It got cabooshed. Day trader Dan, tell me you got the short. Hey Zeus, were we short? What about me, Willie? I don't know. I called the range 30 up to 65 to get short. Oh, come on. 40. Come on. You got to identify that bear flag. 15 overbought, negative MACD, right? You had to get in something. Get in there. Why would you be short at 207 when you could have been short at above 30? Right? Oh, you didn't hear it? Inflation, bond interest rising, U.S. debt hyper ballooning, money printing, fears of losing fair value will continue to push investors to the metals. Could be. But if he raises interest rates, gold's going to get killed. Now, the only way gold's going to rally, in my opinion, is if gold goes lower and they raise interest rates after the election, okay, and he says, I think this could be it, this is the one and done, then I think gold explodes. Okay? But he's speaking on Friday. He's under strict watch by Papa Trump. Depression coming soon? I hope not. CIA director landed in Moscow for emergency meeting on secret military jet. Oh yeah, something's gonna happen. Can you imagine being the head of the CIA? Oh my God, what a job.
Who is the head of the CIA?
What's his name? Ratcliffe? What's his name? Is that it?
I think, yeah, that sounds right.
Can you imagine being the head of the CIA? The stories he's going to have after he leaves here, all the things they've done. Oh. Let's see. OpenAI says the jalapeno chip outperformed Nvidia Blackwell. Elon just followed Nvidia. AI info right after OpenAI claimed the jalapeno chip smoked Blackwell. They should do that. Depression coming? I hope not. Depression is coming for Cowboy fans as soon as preseason is over. Oh my God.
That looks pretty good.
Rick Francis, how are you? Juice bag. There goes the gold.
I'm in that long too.
All right, I'll be scaling out of this long. Hey, Lucky Mon. Lucky Mon. I can't wait to meet so many of you. I think we're going to postpone the event till March of next year, but we'll see. So. Oh my God. There goes the gold. I might be out. Lucky Mon, text me your phone name and number, phone name and email, and I'll let you know. I'll tell you when I'm coming out. I might be coming to California, actually. You're talking, hey, Scott Cunningham. Hey, where have you been? I think I emailed you. Hey, Panis, how are you? 17,378. NASDAQ 10, short 10 accounts. Good job, Luke. So where Lucky Mon, what part of, are you in California or Vegas? I'll be in Vegas the week of October 2nd, just to let you know. All right, I'm glad that you got out of that gold. This gold's a screaming short, any rally. Oh. I want to go short this gold. Where's the GLDs now here? GLDs. Oh my God, down $1. What a beautiful bull flag. I caught this long. Took the short. I said stay with the short, right? Got up to like 23 on the gold, 22, 23. Got kabooshed. What a beautiful bull flag. Caught this gold today around 330, 340, under 13.5, and then it kaboomed. Right up $10. Boom. SK, the last 10 to 15 minute candles have been red. This is a very rare situation. Number one, I don't look at candles. Okay? That's number one. I'm in California. What part? Lucky Mon, text me. Let me see. I'll be out there. Maybe we can meet up. Say hello. Why not? It's a jungle. All right. I think this NASDAQ's going to get killed. Let's see if we can get down to the 150 level. If the NASDAQ, 80, see, that was good. Who said that the ADXs were rising? The ADXs were rising beautifully on the 15s and the 5s, right? Anybody from the great state of Florida? Anybody? If this NASDAQ gets down to the 50 down to the 150 down to 110, I would take it long. Your target is gold 46.90. When? Now or long term? Well, if the gold gets down, what was the low on the gold? 98. I think it might be a buy off the 30s and 60s here. What do you guys get down? 96. Well, if the gold gets down to the 90, 97 level, 29,000 coming hot and heavy. Yep, I think you're right, Christopher. I'd like to see him break it, though. I'm so bearish, I can't take it. Oh, well, now they call me the breeze. Why am I re-entering a short? I'm looking to buy him first. Well, now if you bought the Nasdaq at 10 here, I mean at 50, should have bought the 50s here. 46. Just you want to take 10, 15, I'd scale out. There goes the gold. You shorted gold? Okay. Hey, Mosdeef, how are you? Mosdeef? All right. MGC's Kabushin. I think it could be a scalp long here, like 90.97 here on the gold. There you go. Nasdaq, you can scale out of longs above 60 here. 684 on gold. That wouldn't be good, Christopher. Do you know where he went?
No.
Okay. Hey, Cassandra. Nice to meet you, Cassandra. I don't know, Dane. I was just saying that if you want to trade options, there are a lot of great firms that cover you in options. Like, for example, when we had great patterns today in AMD, we had great patterns in so many different names. Look at that bear flag, Diego. 84 on the S&P is down to 77. So okay. Oh my God. Again, if you long this Nasdaq, this you start scaling out the longs between 50 and 60 range. This gold's finished. Oh, now they call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road. Is the volume still thin? By 11 o'clock or 2 o'clock this afternoon, the spiders did 10 million shares. Nothing. Are you crazy? SpaceX did more volume. Oh, 1468. What a short on Sanders, 1564. Look at this short on the 60-minute time frame. You gapped up here, right? Open, ran 30 points into these negative MACDs. I'm telling you guys, you got to really learn to use the bigger time frames on these names, okay? Dolly, yep. Dolly's unbelievable. For her to have cancer and her life be taken so quick, God knows how, what a good woman, huh? Wow. Well, she's with Kenny Rogers and she's with her husband now, right? I read where, you know, she was so charitable. She spent almost $500 million of her own money in giving away to charity, but she still she still left behind $650 million or $630 million. She had no kids. Who's she giving that to?
Miley Cyrus is a godchild.
No way.
Yep.
Are you serious?
Yep.
What? She's gonna get $600 million?
I don't know if it's going to her, but I know that Dolly was her godmother.
Beachcomber Lisa, do you live on the East Coast or the West Coast? Hey, Ray. Sounds like you're from the West Coast. Probably. Are you from California? Oh my God, is it dead? I'm not shorting. The 30s and 60s are getting oversold. I just said if you want to. Oh, you're from. I knew it. I knew it. Are you in California? Are you near like Newport Beach or Huntington Beach or Ventura County? Wow, beautiful. Wow, Ventura County. I love California. But I don't want to get into the other reasons why. 46% made gold kiss. I think gold's going a lot lower than that, my good buddy. You got a boat? Oh, awesome. JH Han, how are you? Han Wick? I think the gold is going to get another push up here. The juice bag is from the MyFundedFutures chat is from Ventura County here. So I think you guys got you got a burner. Wow, beautiful boat. Wow. There goes the NASDAQ. Let's go, baby. Give me that push up. A lot of Californians here tonight. It's a love fest. All right. Island in between. There is what you are. San Diego. Okay. Hey, Jay. How are you? Jay Reardon. Jonathan. California's waiting for me. No, I'll be out in California. I'm actually love to do an event in California to meet a lot of people. I get so many people from California. So many people. Hey Dean, how are you? Hey Raj from Pakistan, how are you? Nasdaq target open Oh, I don't know. This gold's finished tonight. Nasdaq target. Hey, Rich Dam, how are you? What's my favorite New York pizza? My friend Frank's. Frank's Pizza. He's got the rotating ovens. Oh my God. I love pizza. I can't eat it no more though. I did have a slice though today. I said, God, please look the other way. I said. Oh, beautiful. Good job, Ray. Where's Frank's at? In Portchester, New York. You ever have pizza from a rotating oven? Whew. A lot different than the way they make pizza down here. They can't make pizza down here anyway. Oh, I can't stand... I can't stand anchovies. Are you crazy?
What about pineapple and ham?
No. What's wrong with you? No. Absolutely not. No way. Brick fired is good. So we have a restaurant here called Lenora's, Lynoras, and they have the brick fired pizza, the thin crust. It's really good though, I have to say. You know? Hey, Moneybags. Pineapple on pizza? Oh, please. I can't think of that right now. Who puts pineapple on a pizza? Come on. And anchovies? D-Hall? Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Oh my God. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Pepperoni pineapple is my... Oh my God. Bluebird, don't agree with them. Please, Bluebird. I love your name, but don't agree. Anchovies is good. Oh my God. Hey, Corp Trades. We're talking about pizzas. That's how slow it is. What mood? Text me, mood. 914-500-7484. I'll tell you guys when I'm coming to California. It might be within the next month. I'm thinking, come on, Gold, give me this pop. Pineapple on pizzas like Nutella and mozzarella. Oh my God. This is why, are you people nuts? Serial killers put pineapple on pizza. I can't take it. Fried golden anchovies are the best. Mathematics. Oh my God. I am just a simple person. I have a salad, grilled nice chicken, lettuce and carrots, cucumber, my balsamic dressing. I'll be happy. I'm the happiest guy in the world. My friends talk about trading the nano contract. Is he crazy? Dinner time. Bye, Beach. Bye, Lisa. Everybody say goodnight to Lisa. It's 10 to 6 in California. She's having her anchovy pizza with pineapple. Oh, my God. Please, no. I can't take it. All right. Do you know the way to San Jose? Lucky Mon, text me. 914-500-7484. Do you know the way to San Jose? La 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 la. Lobster pizza, I'll eat that. No. No pineapple. Nobody puts pineapple on a pizza. What the hell is that? Prosciutto and ham? How about prosciutto on melon? Ah, now we're talking. Hey, Marshallese. Where have you back? Where have you been? Text me, Marshallese, 914-500-7484. Get over here. Bluebird, text me. Do you know the way to San Jose? La 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 la. Oh, this Nasdaq's finished. Costa Rica for 2 months. I love Costa Rica. I know. Jeff was trading Bitcoin today. What is it called? The MBT?
Yeah, the micro Bitcoin.
The micro Bitcoin. That's something you guys should be trading. There goes the gold. MBT, right, Jeff?
Yeah.
What a short on this. Oh. Costa Rica's good. I was just there with my daughter. You know that guy. You know that shampoo. Oh my God, what's the name of it? Paul Mitchell. You ever hear the shampoo? You see Paul Mitchell. So my good friend whose son is marrying my daughter. He had it's John Paul DeGiorgio's, John Paul DeGiorgio, his compound, and we stayed there. What a bear flag. And it was pretty cool, I have to say. Beautiful. I opened the door, boom, on my lone bungalow, and there's the ocean right there, boom. Wow, Gino's. Oh, I tell you, they make good pizza in Long Island. I'm telling you right now. I knew a lot of good friends of mine lived in Long Island here. All right. If you want to take a scalp long here, 100 to 135. I still think this gold's going to get a pop here off the 30s. Does he really? He's got houses everywhere, John Paul DeGiorgio. He's 80 years old, and he thinks he says, I'm going to live to 120. The guy is like, he eats only, oh, yeah, his name's not Paul Mitchell. His name is John Paul DeGiorgio. That's him. He's the owner of Paul Mitchell. So, what's cooked? Pop is down or up. What? This is why you asked me why I'm making up so many t-shirts. Pop is down or up. What kind? I don't know what that means, Titanium or Tatiana Ruiz. Are you saying, do I think that the moves, are you trading the YM futures? If you're trading the YM futures, today was such a day. You had every opportunity to buy it. It was beautiful. You made chocolate salami. I'm gonna get sick to my stomach. So who trades the YM? If you're trading the YMs, you have to trade using the underlying ETF, the diamonds. Okay, gapped up, beautiful bull flags, 15-minute time frame, beautiful. Here's one long, boom, look at this other long, boom, right? Look at the 15, look at the 60-minute time frames, ADX is rising, big MACDs. And look at this beautiful 5-minute bull flag right here, boom, 34,000, 534.82. Boom. We just ran 40 on that. No volume on these things though, really. 15,000. No volume on these. You can scale out of any longs here on the gold, 95 to 97 and a half. All right. Wednesday is giveaway. Oh my God. Chocolate syrup on pizza? Mr. Freeze, are you crazy? Well, first of all, you can never be banned from trading. You can always trade your own money. Nobody can ever stop you, right? Eventually, I'm gonna end up. Why can't you have pizza? No, I just want to lose weight. I don't want to gain. I'm 64 years old almost, and I got to lose 15 pounds. And you want me to eat pizza? Are you crazy? Well, we called it short, about 100 points higher, right? There goes the gold. Eat it without cheese. How could what? Who eats pizza without cheese? BLT pizza. All right, that's it. I'm not dealing with this. There goes the gold right back up. There's a pizza diet. I'm not eating pizza without cheese. No way.
Okay, we got 255.
All right, there goes the Nasdaq right back up, 255.
Mm-hmm.
Number five. Start scaling out as long on the gold. Nasdaq 30 up to 35. I kick him out.
Oh, must be her lucky day.
Who's this?
Donna H.
Oh my God, Donna H from California. Donna H. Are you
Oh,
kidding
they're
me?
here.
I asked Donna H. There you go. Yep, Donna H. That's twice, Donna H. You should be part of SK community. Get in there.
Next.
There goes the gold. There goes the Nasdaq. Okay. Jesus, Donna H. I'll be scaling out of longs on the gold here. Let's do number 81.
81. It is fading time.
Trading time?
Fading, like fade.
Fading. Fading time. Fading. Where you long?
Like 135. 37. I'm almost there.
Here. Next.
How could you do that when I said the range was even to
Because
35?
it was freaking. I've been in this one for a while.
Let's
now.
do number 151.
Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon.
Who?
No, nothing. Miss Trend Surfer. Some of you caught that.
Miss Trend Surfer. Miss Trend Surfer.
There. Back to you.
Okay, thank you. All right, that goal was nice. NASDAQ could be scaling longs out here above 30, 35. Pizza without cheese is called salad. I agree. Miss Trend Surfer, there you go. Get in there. Just get out. Right? Out.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh, where? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go.
You long still?
Yeah, I'm about to hit it.
I would get out.
I am.
All right, good job. You kicked him out of 40?
Yeah.
You still got more left?
No,
Okay.
I'm out.
All right, just come back. I'll make
I
it.
got my car.
Oh, I'll make it up to you.
Yeah. Oh,
Just-
you're good.
No, just come back.
Oh, yeah, I'm coming back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you got. Oh, whoa. Just you gotta let
Oh,
him
I
in.
gotta let him in.
Yeah, you gotta let him in. The American flag key. Okay. Thank you for doing that.
No problem.
All right. Finally got out of the gold. Finally got out of the Nasdaq futures. There you go. All right, you should be exiting longs on the gold and the, wow, look at this gold. See that 30-minute time frame? See the 60-minute time frame on the gold? Got down to night, what did gold get down to? 87 or 88? Anybody? There you go. Good job, Jeffrey, on the gold. You had to watch the gold here. Gold just ran 16. Look at these 30-minute time frames here. Are you crazy? Look at this. Look at this. All right. I am not from Long Island. I'm from Westchester County, and the high school I went to was Rye High School, RYE High School, in Rye, New York. Hey, Rain, how are you? Trades by Nao, Cat Sniff, Doug's, how are you? D Halls, get in there. Today is Fed Favorite Core Day, PCE. All right. All right, let's see if it can, these ADXs are still rising here. Thank you, TG. God bless you. That gold was a great long. Push down a little bit longer, but those 30s and 60s just, oh my God, gold's up 18. NASDAQ up about 35. You missed that? It traded down to 86. Are you crazy? I don't know. If this gold gets up to the 03 to 09, 10, I'd short it, scalp it. Do you know the way to San Jose? Who's going in the bathroom? Make you a star. NASDAQ, baby. Get in there. Sergeant Banner. Of course I know what movie that's from. That's from Bronx Tale. I talked to Chaz Parmentieri about that one day. So you just had 15 straight sell candles. Now you just had one big green candle, I guess, right? Get in there, Iggy. Got caught in that average until it worked. Not proud. Okay, just remember what, okay, wow, it just hit 46 in that bear flag. Gold, what did gold just hit? 04? That might have been before me. Wow, just dropped 5, 6. Oh my God, what a bear flag. Jesus, NASDAQ just dropped 20 on the bear flag with those ADXs rising. Jesus. Yeah, I know, I was looking to short it, but it got to 04 after I said it. There you go, Kelly. Get in there. Understanding. Wow, gold just dropped 6. Damn it. All right. Anybody from the great state of Florida who's new here? Anybody? I think I agree with Christopher Pac-Man, 29,000 if not lower. And if this NVIDIA beats and doesn't give any forward guidance, and that's positive because there's now too much competition in their camp, look out below on NVIDIA. Could drag the whole S&Ps down, and you'll see tech. Everybody's all piled up in the tech names. Everybody. Piled up to yin yang. They're all piled into the same names. Hey, J-Dubs. Kelly, if you want to call me or text me, I can set up a call. I can teach you a little bit more stuff about the ADXs, okay, and how to use them. All right. Again, you got MyFundedFutures came out with a new plan today. If you use code YouTube, 50% off for uses any plan. 4 uses, 50% for 4 uses any plan. Access to Spanish? No, not yet. Sicario. What a movie. It's time to meet God. Let's see if you get one more push up here. Again, I want to thank MyFundedFutures for, this is a great 2 hours. I love it. Love meeting. I can't wait to meet all of you, really. So many of you. And I'll be coming out to California. I just don't know where yet. Yep, Darlene Graham. I knew she was going to win. Yep. That was the primary, right? I believe. If anybody has any questions or you need any help with anything, you could just text me 914-500-7484. More than happy to talk to you, text you, and I'll always return a call or a text. Try to help any one of you. You know, that's what it's about. Right? I want to see people succeed. Oh, this is for her brother's seat, right? Got it. Luke, you never called me today. Can you call me after 10 o'clock, please? Luke? right. Jesus, I'm exhausted. You tell me there was no green candle on that push up from whatever it was, 11 up to 45, 46? That's crazy. Oh. Yes, sir. Hey, how you say this? Corojo? Nice to see you. RDJ? RDJ, did you win last night? RDJ? I think you won last night, didn't you? No? Man, oh man, is it dead. Oh. Hey, Christopher. Nice to meet you. I can't wait for the month of August to be over, really. Anybody have any questions? You're tired of low volatility. I'm exhausted. Anybody know where Micron's trading right now? Micron or AMD? Anybody? Okay, Suave, that's good. I hope you're making money. But New York was some great New York, are you crazy? There were some great patterns today. We caught a short at the end of the day about the 29,000, what was it? Almost 300. And then it dropped, it got kabooshed. Henny's home. Bond yields, I think bond yields are going higher. AMD 470. Wow, AMD's kabooshed. $3. Thank you. Tomorrow, NVIDIA, how to enter flag, Stephen, on the break of previous candle. Well, F1, you answered yourself a question, right? Do you see candles on my chart? I don't look at candles, good buddy, right? So I don't understand the question. How to enter flag, Stephen, on break of previous candle. So it's a question I can't answer because I don't use candles, right? So I'm trying to answer the question, but can't happen. You got to ask Sergeant Banner. Okay? Kospi is up 0.3%. Okay? Gold just rallied 20 off the lows. There you go. Okay, 30s and 60s. All right. What a freaking long on that market. Inflation is up. Well, oil got cabooshed today. Yes, sir. You love this game. I love this game. I don't like it when it's slow like this, but I don't use gamma. But we're building gamma into our new program. Let's head back to the 8 p.m. open. Exactly. Indexes are stuck. Oh boy. You could cover this gold short anywhere between the 01 and 04.5. Here we go. There you go. Let's see if this, I called the range on the gold 04 to 10, 09, 10. All right. Apple, buy. I don't know about that. We need a good cabooshin to wake the market up. Absolutely. Oh. All right, gold's dropping here now. All right. I mean, I think we need a good cabooshin here overall. I think the complacent Apple's down to 3.0. Oh my God, I wanted to short that Apple on the close. Got as high as 310.20, 308.55. What a cabooshin. Well, maybe Nvidia gets cabooshed tomorrow, and that could be the start of it. You just never know. Oh my God, this is finished. Yes, I scale into positions. I don't look in that. So for example, if you look at gold today, right here, you see this pattern right here? We shorted it here, went a little against us. We went more, I said to add, right? And then it pulled in on this bear flag, bull flag, right? Beautiful bull flag, first pullback on the 5, on the double blue. If you look at that period of time here, you can see gold got down to 14.7. We were 10 and a half to 16 and a half range. So maybe you bought one contract or you scaled into that range. You think Nvidia's gonna have a great quarter, Mario? Oh my God. And then of course it pushes up here almost $7, pulls back in, makes a higher low, and then kabooms all the way back up here. So this is a beautiful pattern. So when I call the range 10.5 to 16.5, if you bought 16.5 and then you buy 15s, you go every 1.5 points, you would have had a nice, it was a beautiful bull flag on gold. Hey Ravlin, thanks. I'm not calling longs on NASDAQ. Just before, I said exit longs when it got up above, I said 30, 35. When it hit 40, I said out. Okay? Yeah, that's gambling, though. I mean, I see what you're saying. I mean, seasonality, September, October, markets get kabooshed, but who knows, right? So, just think that you have to really overall focus. You have to, oh my God, getting too old. You have to focus on the overall, man, I knew 145 was a short off the 3. Okay, right into the 10 bar. I think the high was 146. Watch bonds. Hey, sports, you mean you're talking up or you're thinking down? Okay. Oh yeah, you have to. I want to see great shorts today in Tesla. Oh my God. Off these 60-minute MACDs. Look at these 60-minute MACDs. You pushed up here. Here's the 30. Look at the 60s. So I caught these shorts here. Where am I here? The 60s. Let's see here. Here's 53, 1, 2, 54, 54, 57. Where's Tesla going with negative MACDs and you're in a negative on the 30 and 60? I mean, look at this. Look at these. 1 here, 53, 2, 53. Here's 453. Here's 54. Here's 54. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the big one, 57. 5 great shorts off a negative MACDs on new highs off against the 30 and 60-minute time frame. NASDAQ 100, get in there, Christopher. Pac-Man. There we go, S&Ps. Bye-bye. Just dropped on that 40. Just dropped 40. Gold, if you're short the gold, lower. I would lower your stops. Okay? Luke, get in there. Oh, man. Break the 100 level. Down 170. Well, you know what? I may take a, if they get down to the 29,060, that's 29,100. You got these 30s and 15s in single digits. I would take a scalp long. Where's the bear? What you want to do here on Bitcoin, okay, there goes the NASDAQ right back up here. Just hit the 99 level. Again, I'm telling you, this bear flag on the weekly, this is a monster bear flag. And normally what happens is you take the high of the bear flag and the low of the beginning of the bear flag and you reduce it. Okay, you take the measure move. It could be, oh, you scared the crap out of me. It could be 24,000. So you take this low, this high of the bear flag, and take the net difference and put it underneath this low, and it's 24,000. That's where I think they could get to, believe it or not. Kazin Trading, thank you very much. Frank, how are you? Frank second. Okay. Is giveaway done for tonight? No. No. When happened giveaway?
I think you. He knows.
Hey Candle, Candle Jenner, how are you? Man, oh man, this is brutal. All right, traded at even before me there, so still think you're gonna get another push down. Candle Jenner, where are you from? All right, let's see. Here we go. Break at 100. Can Nasdaq reverse soon? To where? Up? You see these ADXs rising on the 15s? You see these ADXs rising on the 30s? I'm just looking for scalp longs to get short on the bounce. Here we go. Here we go. Start scaling out between 07 and 15. One bear flag after another. There you go. Right? There you go. Right. Gold just dropped 6 here. All right. That's why. All right. Start scaling out of longs here. You long?
No, I'm not in
Okay.
anything. I had an order in, but it never hit.
Okay. Well, you have a look at the 30s. You had a 3 oversold condition, and look at the 60s. So the 60s reversed to sell just now. There you go, little scalp long. Can we get 200 likes here? All right. There goes the gold. Gold just dropped. I think gold hit 06. Just drops about 8. Huh? What happened, Dim Sum? Dim Sum, we never even spoke. Text me, 914-500-7484. What comments? Whose comments? I'm so confused. There you go. What is he saying? Dim Sum. What happened when you saw Henny when he went in? He got...
Oh, I didn't go in.
Oh,
I unlocked the door.
all right. Dim Sum, text me, 914-500-7484. A lot of great... If you watch my podcast tonight, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, you're going to see some really great patterns. And I'll show you how these patterns... Oh. I'm the blessing? Oh, okay. YouTube... Can you text me? I don't know where... Dim Sum, can you text me the comments? And please text me. I'd like to speak to you. 914-500-7484. Look at this gold. Wait till the 15s reverse to sell. Over. Look out. New lows. Oh, we're gonna get kabooshed. You're scalping gold longs. Be careful. Wait till these 15s are get. Baba, these 15s are getting overbought to 2 negative MACDs on the 15 and 30. Wait till these 15s turn down. Be careful. We got 5. We got this 5 more. I'd be really careful here. When happened giveaway? Hey, Smokescreen. Where's the bear? I could look to buy the Nasdaq here again, anywhere between the probably 65 and 95 range, if you want to scalp the long. There you go, right back up. You see that on the Nasdaq? Did you get long?
Yeah. I went in 2 contracts, closed one out, and got profits locked in. I got my profit attached to the 3-minute indicator, or the 3-minute moving average.
Okay, just ran 20 on the Nasdaq. I don't know if it got down to 95. It doesn't look like it. No, 96, of course. I would not be short with this oversold condition. When happens success? Soon.
I had an order in at 99.
No, really? They're doing a light show in honor of Dolly Parton? Wow. That's nice. Wow. Wow, look at the Nasdaq just rip. That's 30 handles right there. I said 95. All right, I'd cancel it. Okay. I knew a kaboom was coming. I knew a kaboom was coming. Diego, tell me you're not short down there, please. Something just came out. I didn't take the long on gold. I think these 15s are going to roll over. Well, if you caught the long, great. I was 95. The low is 96. I got to tell you, I get more upset with missing trades than losing money on trades. Does that make sense to you all? I don't know if you understand that.
I do.
Wow. Hand on the mouse.
But I'm on 132.
You want 130? You're long?
Yeah, so I'm about long.
Where? I never take you. Where'd you get it?
I already had an order in at 99,
Okay.
and one contract's already filled, and I got a stop loss in at 15.
I would raise it to 20.
Okay.
You never want to give away 50% of the gain. That's what you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Where you open 32?
Yeah, that's why I have my my take profit attached to the 3-minute moving average.
Mm-hmm. That's a good job. That's a good job. So when it's trading 27, you never want to do 15. That's 14 ticks, 14 points, right?
Yeah.
So you raise it to 20. If it gets to 30, 32, you're out. You know what I'm saying? I think you may get that though, but we'll see. It's forming a bear flag here.
Oh, and I was actually in at 97.50.
97.50?
Yeah.
Oh wow. I was 95, the low was 96. 97, 27.
Yeah, I think when I came back, I had put an order just under the low of the night.
All right, this gold gets up to the 03 again, 03 to 09. We got 20 minutes here. I think gold will get one more push up, and I think it's going to get cabooshed here. These 15s are setting up a short. Stopping at this 27 here, though. Looks like my Nasdaq's frozen. Why is it saying 27? It's not trading 27. It's trading, now it's trading 27. Oh, gold just dropped 5, damn it. You got these rising ADXs on the 15. I'd like to see them get up to 35.40 for a short. ADX is rising on the 30. I don't know, yeah. Oh, wow, gold just dropped 6. Damn it. Hit that 03 level.
All right.
Okay.
Let's go.
What was the total number today? How much? 2 what?
255.
You should be stopped out.
Yeah, I just got
Number
stopped out.
240.
Stephen Mayo.
Hand on the mouse. Stephen Mayo. Are you out?
Yeah, I'm out.
Okay. Stephen Mayo.
No.
Stephen Mayo, are you here? Looks like he's here.
Yep.
All right. Congratulations, Stephen.
Next.
Congratulations. How many more are we doing?
I don't know. Just I'll tell you when.
Okay. Let's do another one. 212. 212.
Man, this guy's good. Melvin 1088.
Come on. What? That's impossible. He won last night. This is like his fifth or sixth win.
This guy never stops.
Well, is he here?
I don't know.
Is Melvin here?
Yep.
He's here?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see him.
He just replied.
He did?
Yeah, next.
Oh my God. You should be going play. You should be going playing the Powerball.
Yeah, seriously.
Number 29.
Michael O'May.
Well, I don't know him. Michael O'May?
Yeah.
Melvin, never take a shower. You're right. All right. Jesus. That was a nice out. See? You raised it, right? Never hit your 30 target, 32. Is he here?
I don't think so.
Who was it again?
Michael O'May.
Going once. Going twice.
Here.
Ah. Oh, he's here. Ooh, almost gave a next. All right. Most stock streamers don't let them win back to back. I'm picking a number. Big bats. What are the chances I've called this number out like 5 times in 4 weeks? Right? Right? I mean, come on. Michael, he's always here. Good job, Michael. I mean, for Melvin. We got one more and that's it.
Couple more. Keep going.
Let's do number 77.
True John. I don't know how you pronounce that, but
True John. He's always here.
yeah.
Trujuan, I believe his name is.
Truijan.
Oh, Trui. All right. Going once. Trujan, are you here? Going twice. Next. Let's do number 67. Number 67.
Oh, damn it. You see, you did it again.
What?
Kendall Jenner.
Kendall Jenner won?
Yep.
Kendall Jenner, congratulations.
That's a good name.
What?
I like that name.
Kendall Jenner. Congratulations, Kendall Jenner. Woohoo! Never seen her before. First time winner. Get in there, get in there, get in there.
Keep going.
Oh my God, Aaron, look at the banner Sarge. Number 145.
Nathaniel Aldrich.
Whoa, Nathaniel. There you go, Baba. We talked earlier. Get in there. Whoa. Woohoo. Nathaniel, get in there. There you go, baby. There you go.
Yep.
Congratulate. Huh?
Yep, here.
Yep.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4.
SK Lexico, Kendall Jenner. It's Kendall
7,
Jenner.
8. Okay, come on. Keep going.
Oh my God, look at the Sarge. Number 103.
Digital Nukes. I like that name.
I like that name too. Digital Nukes. Digital Nukes.
When happened nukes?
When happened candles. Candles are for weddings and birthdays.
And hurricanes.
And hurricanes. Nice out. Going once.
Yep. I don't think they're here.
Going twice. Next.
Oof.
Number 67.
You already did that number.
Oh, I did. Sorry. Kendall Jenner. Right. Sorry. Number 45.
RDJ Trades. Oh, there he is.
RDJ Trades.
Yep. Last one.
Number 156. Number 156.
Power Strike X.
He won again.
I guess so.
That's a Jesus Power Strike X.
You need to be doing the Powerball X. Come on. Where are you?
I'm gonna make this quick. Going once. Going twice. Next.
Dang. Next.
Power
All right.
strikes. Too bad. All right, we'll make it simple here. We're gonna do number 10. Number 10.
J Dubs.
Hey, there you go, J Dubs. Please tell me you're here. Get in there.
Oh, sorry, Power. You're too late. Next.
Oh, Power Strikes. I told you, Baba. Come on. J Dubs. Finally. See J Dubs, get in there.
All right.
All right. Donnie must have gotten here too late to enter. Donnie, you have to, if Donnie, just to let you know, you have to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube and sign up, and you have to have a MyFundedFutures account, okay, to sign up. So if we call you and it matches your email to the number, that's when you get the, that's when you get it, okay? May all of you pass and win, yes, okay? Okay, Donnie, and anybody new would like to send me your full name and email, and I will just text me. I will send you out a 5-day free trial. Okay, starts every Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4 to my live stream, and just text me to my cell phone number 914-500-7484. Okay, this gold is short here, 09 here up to 16. 08.5, 09 up to 16. Mikey Jacques, good night, Andre. Good night, Nick Fury. We got about 10 minutes to go here. Miss Trend Surfer, congratulations. And why is MyFundedFutures banned in Pakistan? I have no idea. Aaron, you want to answer that? I have no idea.
I don't either. I mean, that's not a rule that we would make. It's something that your government would have to choose. If they decide they don't want to allow it, then there's nothing we could do. But I really don't have an answer for you. So if you want, you can go ask the Discord, and they'll give you a better answer, the MyFundedFutures Discord.
Same winners every day. That's not fair. Swing Century, come on. I have no, come on. I'm just picking random numbers, Baba.
They
If you,
complain until they're the ones that get
no, I mean,
winning every day.
it's like, you know, I'm not, I'm completely, first of all, I'm completely shot. I'm just picking random numbers that I see. I have no idea. Aaron doesn't show me anything. I have no idea. It's just luck. Like Melvin, you think, like Melvin's probably won 4 or 5 times in the last 4 or 5 weeks? I don't have to explain this. It's right. It's just same winners. It's not really the same winners. J Dubs hasn't won. Kendall Jenner, she's new for the first time. She won tonight. I mean, I don't know. Okay, listen. It's yeah. I'll give you if you like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, just text me your full name and email, and I'll send it to you. So at least you get something free tonight. Okay? I'm not explaining. I'm just trying to him to understand, but well, it's a little actually more than that, but and you're talking to Sergeant Banner, who's probably like more straight than an arrow, okay? I think True won a couple of nights ago, right? Son of Wall Street, I called his name out about a week ago, and he wasn't here, never won. Baby Goat was never won. He was here he wasn't here last night. He lost out, right? It happens. Aaron, they want to know what's your favorite instrument to trade, Aaron? I don't think you heard me.
I like trading baseball cards.
I did.
No,
I replied in the chat.
Oh, you did? I couldn't see. The flute. You like the flute?
The what?
The flute?
What are you talking about? You see it says MyFundedFutures prop firm? That's me, NQ and GC.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mr.
that.
Tesla, Rick.
Go ahead.
All right, Mr. Tesla, Rick, thank you. Aaron trades nanos. Ooh, those are fighting words.
What's going on with the beef market?
Kalayjian, maybe Aaron, you could explain how to sign up for the giveaway. Kalayjian doesn't understand.
It's simple. You're here in the beginning, sometime that I randomly will put a link. I leave it up until it fills a certain amount of numbers. Once it's filled, I turn off the link, and then it's in order. Whoever signs up, and Steven has no idea because I don't let him see it, and he just throws out random numbers. That's simple.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Big M, have a great night. Gary B, God bless you. All right. So tomorrow, we'll see what happens with the markets regarding the now you got your 30 print. Oh.
What I need is gold.
Jesus, this gold went from 86 up to 10. Corp Trades, have a great night, my brother. Rick Francis, God bless. Kyle. Linda NQ, thank you so much. Rod Trades, have a great night. Zeph. I can't wait to get out of this month of August. Island in between, that is what you are. There is no in between. Do. Good night, Nick. Albano, Marzina, Donna H. That's twice now, Donna H. You finally won, right? You were here for that. All right, we got about 4 minutes. 3 minutes. My clock is wrong. This gold now is up almost 14 and 13, 27 points off the low, off those 30 and 60-minute time frames. John Wayne, have a great night. Bobby Trades, come to Morningside. Bobby, just join me during my live stream, 8:30 to 4. All right, let's see if this gold can finally drop here. 09.5 to 16.5 range here. Unbelievable. Goes up to, 30 points off the low. Look at this, off the 30-minute time frames. May your stop losses be untouched and your dreams be filled with green candles. Sleep well, traders. Tomorrow we'll do it all over again. I agree. Mañana, J-Dubs. Congratulations. The bear. Well, gold just exploded off those 30s. Again, when the gold made the new low, you can see here, when the gold made the new low, just going to show it to you, the MACDs could not confirm the low. If you see here, you made the new low, down to 86, the MACDs couldn't confirm, up 30. I still think it's a short though, but they should drop off these 15s. You can look to cover like 09.5 to 13 if it's stick with this gold SK. Short, yeah, I think it's going to drop. I think gold is still a short, yes. But I would be scaling in. I go like 1 every 2.5, right? Just cover any, I don't know, between 09.5, 10 to 14, somewhere in here. It's going to drop. I don't know what your average price is. Here we go. And this was the long right here off the 30-minute time frames. All right, out. Good job. All right, everybody, have a great night. Okay, God bless you. I want to thank Matt Lynch for having such a great firm like MyFundedFutures and giving me this great opportunity. Aaron, his wife, Aaron, and I want to thank all of you for being here. We'll do it again tomorrow night. Look at the gold drop. Just dropped 5. All right. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. I'll see you here tomorrow night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.